In a world where technology shapes the future, where networking and cloud computing are the backbone of innovation, one organization stands at the forefront of bridging the gap between knowledge and practical application. Welcome to NS3EDU, where education meets industry relevance. At NS3EDU, we believe in more than just theoretical learning. We are dedicated to providing our students with hands-on experience, ensuring they are not only well-informed but also adept at applying their skills in real-world scenarios. Our comprehensive courses cover a wide range of topics, including cloud computing, CCNA, CCIE, CCNP, cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and much more. We are passionate about diversity and inclusion in ethical hacking. We offer 300 hours of free self-paced training, ensuring accessible education for all. Our emphasis on theory and hands-on experience makes our students industry-ready. At NS3EDU, we believe in making you industry-fit, providing practical education that prepares you for the challenges of tomorrow. Where theory meets practice and knowledge transforms into opportunity. Transforming education, empowering futures.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav. I have completed my CCNA training from NS3EDU Gurgaon. So going with the course, first of all I want to tell about my trainer. The trainers and faculties are here very good. They have a good relation with the students, and moreover we can practice in the data center.
Hello guys, I'm Trent. I had training here at NS3 and I was quite impressed with the level of professionalism they have.